All right, so another cool demo they showed off, similar to something Apple showed off in the past. This is an integration, Android integration with your car, allowing you to, almost in a similar fashion to how you use the Pay applications. So Google Pay, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay for that matter. It pops up like a card. It looks like a credit card actually inside the app. And they were demoing with BMW because BMW is going to be the first car to support it. And what's funny is I believe Apple was demoing with BMW as well. So BMW is on the forefront of like, unlock our cars any way you see fit. And so the same thing goes for this. Now they also in Android 12 apparently are capable of not just using NFC, but also UWB. That's that ultra wideband. So that's going to allow you to keep the phone in the pocket completely and just walk straight into the car, which is the dream come true, obviously. No key fob. I don't know. You feel confident to leave the key fob, but no key fob, just your phone, UWB, and you just approach your BMW. You see how this goes, Will?
Can you start your car with this or no? I guess not.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Oh.
It'll let you unlock. You're trying to keep your key at home. You just need your phone.
Oh, okay.
Just like you leave your wallet at home.
That's a seller.
That's the beauty
great.
of it. Yeah. So unlock, lock, start the vehicle from your phone. It takes on the appearance of Google Pay credit debit card with a hold to reader prompt and options like requiring an unlock to use the key, which of course I think you might want such a thing. Require an unlock could be important. So having the dual approach, it means that a wider variety of devices will be supported by utilizing either NFC or UWB. So it's going to be BMW. BMW was the first company to kind of announce or interact with this, but it's obviously going to be far more partners in the future. On this show, we talked about how Ford was making that big deal to run Android natively in all their vehicles, and we see other Android automotive native in-dash units. You would assume that those would also be likely to adopt and integrate this feature because they already have relationships with Google. So we'll have to wait and see this thing roll out to a wider variety of vehicles. But that kind of puts them on the same playing field as Apple as far as this is concerned. That's fun. Who doesn't want that?
No, just imagine like a list of keys here. Like digital keys.
Yeah, why not?
Just like
Why not?
cards.
Why not? Just make it easier for the hackers, Will. Come take your car.
I wouldn't say that, but
I'm just joking. Oh, come on.
Yeah.